Most testimonial videos sound like a polite handshake. They were great to work with, super friendly. That's nice, but it doesn't move the needle. If your testimonial video doesn't spark a light bulb in your viewer's head, if it doesn't say, hey, that's exactly what I'm dealing with, then it's not doing its job. In this video, I'll walk you through the 5 things every testimonial video must include to actually convert viewers into leads. And at the end, I'm going to share the #1 mistake that tanks otherwise good testimonial videos and how to fix it fast. I'm Colin from Chromatic Digital Cinema. We help businesses use high-quality video to solve real problems, growing sales, building trust, training teams, and creating content that keeps working long after we've packed up the gear. Now on to the tips. #1, get specific, not generic. Let's start with the most common mistake, vagueness. They were awesome to work with. That might stoke your ego, but it doesn't close a sale. You need specifics. What was broken, what got fixed, and what changed. Use this structure: pain, solution, result. Here's an example. We were spending hours trying to train new staff with outdated materials. Then we hired your company, and within 2 weeks we had a polished training video that cut our onboarding time in half. Now that's gold. That's a transformation a future client can picture themselves in. #2, guide, don't script. Want to kill trust in 5 seconds? Hand your client a script. A scripted testimonial feels stiff, rehearsed, and unnatural, which is the opposite of what you want when you're trying to build credibility. Instead, run it like a conversation. Stay off camera, ask simple, open-ended prompts like, what were you struggling with before we started working together? What made you decide to go with us? What's changed in your business since? Let them tell the story in their own words. If it's messy, that's okay. You can tighten it in the edit. What matters is that it feels real. #3, show, don't just tell. A talking head can only do so much. You want to layer in B-roll, cutaway footage that shows what they're talking about. Think behind-the-scenes clips, shots of the final product in use, the team collaborating, or even metrics on screen. If a client says, this video helped us get more leads, then show the video. Let visuals reinforce the transformation. People believe what they see, not just what they hear. #4, keep it tight. More time does not mean more impact. Your testimonial video should be under 90 seconds for the main version. That's enough time to communicate the pain, the solution, and the outcome without dragging it on too much. If you want to make a longer one for YouTube or a blog, go ahead, but for landing pages and ads and emails, let's just keep it sharp. This is your movie trailer, not the whole film. #5, don't forget the call to action. Here's where most people fade to black, but don't. Your viewer just heard proof that you get results. Now, give them a next step. Say something like, if you're looking for the same kind of results, here's how to get in touch. Or click the link below and let's start a conversation. You've earned their attention, now guide it. Remember that big mistake I teased earlier? It's this. Businesses make testimonial videos about what they want to say when they should be focusing on what the client felt. If you're not connecting the dots from the client's pain to the solution you provide to the result they got, then you're just making noise that is not going to be effective. Need help putting together a testimonial video that actually works? Reach out via the link in the description below. We'll help you turn polite compliments into powerful conversation tools. Thanks for watching. See you next time.